Cleaning accordion blinds, also known as cellular or pleated shades, is essential for maintaining their look and function. These blinds have a unique honeycomb structure. This structure is great for insulation. However, it easily traps dust, insects, and airborne grime within its cells. Regular cleaning prevents this buildup from becoming a major problem. For routine maintenance, light dusting is your best approach. You should do this weekly. Fully extend the blinds to expose all the pleats. Use a feather duster or a soft microfiber cloth. Gently wipe each pleat from top to bottom. Alternatively, you can use a vacuum cleaner. Make sure to use the soft brush attachment. Set the suction to a low setting. This prevents you from damaging the delicate fabric. Move the brush slowly across the pleats. This method effectively removes surface dust and debris. For small stains or smudges, spot cleaning is necessary. You do not need to take the blinds down for this. Prepare a simple cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water. Avoid using harsh chemicals or bleach. These can cause discoloration. Dampen a clean, soft cloth or sponge in the solution. Do not saturate it. Gently dab the stained area. Do not rub or scrub aggressively. This can damage the fabric fibers or ruin the pleat. After dabbing, take a separate clean, dry cloth. Blot the area to absorb excess moisture. Allow the spot to air dry completely before raising the blinds. For heavily soiled blinds, a deep cleaning may be required. Always check your manufacturer's care instructions first. Some materials are not suitable for water immersion. If it is safe, you can proceed. Carefully remove the blinds from their mounting brackets. Fill a bathtub with lukewarm water. Hot water can damage the pleats and glue. Add a small amount of mild detergent to the water. Submerge the entire blind in the soapy water. Let it soak for about an hour. This will loosen the embedded dirt and grime. After soaking, drain the soapy water. Refill the tub with clean, cool water for rinsing. Gently swish the blinds in the clean water. You may need to drain and refill the tub a few times. This ensures all soap residue is gone. The drying process is the most critical step. Lift the blinds from the water carefully. Hold them in a gathered position to let excess water drain out. Do not wring or twist the fabric. Rehang the blinds on their window brackets while they are still damp. This is very important for maintaining their shape. Extend the blinds fully. Let them air dry completely. This can take several hours. Placing a towel on the windowsill can catch any drips. Keeping them extended prevents mildew and ensures the pleats dry back to their original crisp shape. Never use a hairdryer or put them in a clothes dryer. The high heat will ruin them. Regular, gentle cleaning is the key to keeping your accordion blinds looking fresh for years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful home care tips.